Are you feeling overwhelmed by your coursework? Are you struggling to stay on top of things? That's okay. So many students struggle with this. I have struggled with this, so you aren't alone. Luckily, WVU has so many tutoring resources available to you. In this video, I'm going to give you a guide on how to schedule a tutoring appointment at West Virginia University. You are first going to search tutoring.wvu.edu. You will see this screen. Next, you will choose one of the many campus learning centers available to you. As you can see here, there's a wide array of options for all types of students, from business students to STEM students to even students doing a writing assignment. There is an option for any class. There are even extra options for honors students and veterans. As an honors student who lived in Honors Hall, the Testwell Center is one of my personal favorites. It was super convenient being able to walk in when they were in my building twice a week. So if you're an honors student or live near Honors or Lincoln Hall, I highly suggest this resource. To schedule an appointment with any of these resources, you will click Read More. It will take you to another page and you will scroll down until you see this. Now, click Navigate where it is hyperlinked. Some of your courses should appear on the screen. There will be a blue rectangle on the side that says Get Assistance. Click that. Under what type of appointment do you want to schedule, you will click Tutoring. And under the Service tab, you will click Course-Based Tutoring. Next, you will choose what day you would like the tutoring. Click Find Available Time. Now it will show you all the tutoring options based on the courses you are enrolled in. You can see it shows me options based on my current classes. This includes both online and in-person options. You can also see who exactly will be helping you. I have tried and really liked the online tutoring option. I was able to do it on a Sunday night and never had to leave my room. If none of the times work for you, you can request alternate times. You can also see which services provide drop-in tutoring. That is, you don't have to schedule an appointment. Tutoring has really helped me as a student. This is something you should be taking full advantage of. With the limitless tutoring opportunities for all students, no matter the major, you can reach your full potential. All that is left is to attend your appointment. Good luck!